This tutorial is for 4th grade, Module 5, Lesson 1b. In this lesson, we'll be drawing our own tape diagrams to match fraction number sentences. My first problem says that I have one whole and it equals 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. To show that on the tape diagram then, I'm going to divide the tape into 6 equal pieces, and then I'm going to shade in one piece for each of my numbers in my number sentence. Well, since there are 6 groups of 1/6 in the number sentence, that simply means I need to shade in the entire tape, because the tape is showing one whole that's divided into 6 sixths. My shaded tape diagram matches my number sentence. In the next problem, it says 7/8 equals 3/8 plus 3/8 plus 1/8. I'm going to divide my whole into eighths, since we're working with eighths in the problem. So I'll divide it into 8 equal pieces. And then I'm going to use number brackets below the tape diagram to show the 3 portions that are added in the number sentence. So we have 3/8 plus another 3/8 plus 1/8. Now all I need to do is shade in each of those portions. The next problem says 12/10 equals 6/10 plus 4/10 plus 2/10. Because in the original fraction my numerator is larger than my denominator, I know that this fraction is going to be greater than 1 whole. And you can see in the tape that we've been given a diagram that shows more than 1 whole. To start, I need to break the tape into tenths, so I can show 6/10 plus 4/10 plus 2/10. I've started by just breaking the whole into tenths, and then I'm going to shade in the 6/10 and the 4/10 to show that part of the number sentence. Here's my shaded tape, and you can see that I have the 6/10 and the 4/10. Now I just need to add the 2/10. So I'm going to take this last section that's greater than 1 whole and divide it into 2/10. And those 2 pieces need to be equal to the original tenths in the whole. And now all I have to do is shade in those 2 pieces. And now my shaded tape diagram matches my number sentence. 6/10 plus 4/10 plus 2/10 equals 12/10. In the next problem, I have 1 2/3, and it equals 1 plus 2/3. Well, I can show the 1 by using just the 1 whole portion of the tape, so I'm going to leave that as is. The 2/3 will go on the next section. This whole tape represents another whole. I don't need all of that, but I do need to break it into thirds. So I'll break it into 3 pieces, and then I'll need to shade in the 2/3 on that part of the tape and the 1 whole on the first part of the tape to show 1 2/3. And now my tape shows how 1 2/3 equals 1 whole and 2/3 on the tape diagram.